Hello everyone. Welcome to the Pet Paradise channel. Whether this is your first visit or you're a fan of our channel, we appreciate your continuous warm support. Do you know what day it is today? Yes, it's Friday, the culmination of the week. Whether you're a student, a salaried worker, or self-employed, Friday signifies the end of the week and heightens the anticipation for the upcoming weekend. And today is a special day. Why? Because all the superstars of our channel are gathering under one roof. These include the adorable white cat, the energetic puppy named Life, the charming orange rabbit, the white rabbit, the little chick, the chicken, the duck, and the gentle white mallard. They've all assembled on one stage, like the Pet Paradise version of the Avengers. This Friday, to blow away the fatigue of the week and to welcome a pleasant weekend, all the pets on our channel are here to soothe you. By observing their daily lives and identifying their unique characteristics and endearing behaviors, your weary hearts and bodies will surely be refreshed. Now, the Pet Paradise channel will continue to introduce the daily lives of various pets in order to bring smiles and healing to all of you. In this regard, we would be grateful for your support of our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. This allows us to bring smiles to even more people. Please enjoy the pet party that is about to start. You may encounter their cute moves and sometimes unexpected aspects. And we may learn valuable lessons from them that we humans should learn. Friendship, cooperation, innocent ways of enjoying life, all can be learned from them. We hope that the Pet Paradise channel will bring a bit of joy and important realizations to your daily life. Let's start the Friday pet party. We hope it heals you and blows away the fatigue of the week. So, without further ado, let the show begin.
说你想养一只蓝猫，嘿吼，没暖气可以用来当暖宝宝。毛茸茸咕噜噜，你眼睛撒娇，嘿吼，小鲜肉点跳到你尖球尾包。一只喵，哎呦一只喵，冬天肚皮给你暖手刚刚好。一只喵，哎呦一只喵，夏天记得奖励我一只雪糕。一只喵，哎呦一只喵，咕噜咕噜咕噜咕噜喵喵喵。一只喵，哎呦一只喵，我想做你想要的那只大猫。哎呦喵，哎呦喵。 短毛，嘿吼，没暖气可以用来当暖宝宝。毛茸茸咕噜噜，眯眼睛撒娇，嘿吼，小小肉点挑的你点球尾包。一只喵，哎呦一只喵，想起你尾巴就开始摇啊摇。一只喵，哎呦一只喵，你坐沙发，我怕你腿上睡觉。一只喵，哎呦一只喵，咕噜咕噜咕噜咕噜喵喵喵。一只喵，哎呦一只喵，我想做你想要的那只短猫。你说你想养一只短猫，嘿吼，没暖气可以用来当暖宝宝。毛茸茸咕噜噜，眯眼睛撒娇，嘿吼，小鲜肉点挑逗你捡球尾包。